Central Oregon has some amazing places to camp. Even better if you scout them first on a BMW GS or a Honda Transalp. Welcome back, y'all, to the Grand Shamrock Tour. Well, my name is John.
And I'm Carolyn.
And we're getting ready to scout some new locations to land our Forest River Surveyor Legend. And Carolyn, I put the best person to find those locations on the job, and Carolyn's gonna do that while I get the cameras mounted on our bikes.
Well, thanks, John, because I love finding roads for us to ride motorcycles. You know, I use Butler Maps, Oregon Maps, you know, visitor centers. But this time, what we did was we found a place out at Paulina Lake for this RV, good in between size. And Paulina Lake, what did you think?
Well, Carolyn's been trying to get me to Paulina Lake for the last 2 years, and I will tell you right now, it was well worth the wait. Paulina Lake really surprised me, and I couldn't get over how beautiful that campground was.
Now, the campground was a great in-between. It's got trees, hiking trails, mountain biking trails. That whole area had something like 21 miles of a mountain bike trail. You know, I wasn't sure that we were going to share this type of video about RVing, but it was so beautiful up there that it was like, we have to share.
Well, they had a really great resort area too, with wonderful swim and area and boating, recreation, but it had a really nice resort that allowed me to have a margarita. If I'm not on a motorcycle, I get that margarita.
Well, yeah, Taco Tuesday.
Yeah.
And a margarita, why not? Beautiful, beautiful views out over the lake. You know, there's families, there's sups, there's boats, and there's a ton of fishing. So if any of that suits your fancy, well, then you got to do that. One thing too is I had our little Cascades book. It has, you know, kind of the places that you really could go see and hike. The first hike we took was the Obsidian flow. That was just remarkable. Not a hard hike, just up a little bit. No,
but Oregon has a volcanic legacy, and until you actually go there and explore and see those lava flows, the Obsidian flow was absolutely gorgeous because it's that bright, shiny, very dangerous rock.
Yeah. Oh, and you could see Bachelor and
Broken Top.
Broken Top.
There you go. Yeah.
You can see Broken Top. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay. Then the next suggestion was to drive up to Paulina Peak. And I've been talking to you for the last couple of years because I wanted to ride my motorcycle up in that area. The roads were, you know, in great shape.
Not bad. I would prefer, honestly, versus the four-wheel drive Ford, I probably would have preferred these bikes because there was a lot of washboard, loose gravel, and might have been a little more fun. But once you got up top, you're at 7,000 plus feet. You're way up there, and it's a great view. Right, and it gave me the opportunity to throw the drone up and just see how beautiful that entire area is. And boy, if you really aren't sure, you just take a shot from above. It is absolutely stunning. You can see everywhere in Central Oregon. You can see all of the Oregon Cascades and the beautiful Christmas Valley. In fact, Carolyn pointed out all of the lakes, and she spotted Fort Rock. Right.
Fort Rock, we had been out to Fort Rock.
Right.
You know, we've been out there a couple of times now. You even threw the drone up at Fort Rock, 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
But we somehow had missed Paulina Lake, the Obsidian Flow, and East Lake.
Yeah.
It had its own resort as well.
Yeah.
So, gosh, if anybody was out in that area or you wanted to go and explore a new area, I would recommend this.
Yeah, so the Grand Shamrock's basis is we obviously take Shamrock rides on our motorcycle, but we did that for 3.5 years in an RV. After we settled here at the Grand Shamrock Ranch for a couple of years, I was really hankering to get out there and do some camping too. I didn't want to mix the streams, so I want to ride some days and just enjoy that, And then I want to go out there and camp and enjoy the peace and quiet in some of the most beautiful part of our country that we've ever experienced. And I've got Carolyn right now scouting a campground. As soon as I finish up, we're going to head out.
Well, you know,
Well, if anybody's familiar with Central Oregon, you recognize that that mountain in the background. That is Broken Top, and aptly named. That puts us at the base of it at Soda Creek Campground.
Soda Creek Campground comes up on recreation.gov, and so here we are. As seniors, we actually get half off, which is kind of cool.
It's a good price.
So before we leave the parking lot, we came out to RECON the area, and it looks like our trailer is going to fit in Site 1. And so we're going to go ahead and book it. But man, what a beautiful ride we've had today. Just
I am going to throw the drone up and just kind of check the whole area out. Sparks Lake is right there, and that's one of those places that if you've ever been on the Cascade Loop Highway, Spark Lake is just beautiful, flat, not very deep lake, and it's a little less deep this year with the low snowpack, but it's right at the base of the backside of Mount Bachelor. And so we're going to come out here and spend a few days, and looking forward to that. But we had a great ride getting out here. If you're on two wheels, make sure you take that Cascade Loops Highway. It's really good. We still have to finish the loop, so I'm going to throw the drone up. And Carolyn, what do you think?
Well, I think it's lovely. We are sitting here on a bench. We had a wonderful snack for John and me, of course. And it's just quiet. The stream is, you can hear the stream in the background, I think, you know. But yeah, what a beautiful day. Well, you know, I like what you're saying, because we could go and scout riding motorcycles, because that keeps me happy. And then we find an RV place for you. That'll keep John happy.
I love those beautiful, bright, open skies at night out here in Central Oregon. You just can't beat it. Yeah. And we really encourage you to follow along, like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing multiple content here, but all the same, us enjoying life, and we want you to enjoy it with us.
And on that note, travel safe.
And we're looking forward to seeing you out on the road, and then soon out in a campground. We're on again, and we should still be recording here. We are at Soda Creek Campground. We're going to come here and camp in a couple of weeks. We've got Broken Top right over there. We got Carolyn right over here. And we'll follow around and check out the campground.
I'll follow you, babe. I want to know what you think. As far as, you know, pulling the trailer through, it looks fine.